अमन इन्फोटेक इंस्टीट्यूट वालों तुहाडा सारा दा स्वागत है। अज मैं तुहाडे लई इंग्लिश स्टैनो का पैसे लैके आया जिस दी स्पीड 80 वर्ड पर मिनट दी होवेगी। हुण देखो तुसीं हाई कोर्ट दे जिहड़े एक स्टैनोग्राफर दे पोस्टां निकलियां ने ते होर भी अपनी स्टैनोग्राफी दी जिहड़ी पोस्टां निकलियां सी EPF दियां, तां अपनी तैयारी हुणी तो शुरू करन लग जाओ तां जो तुसीं पेपर ईजली क्लीयर कर सको। तो हुण आपां इह पैसे शुरू करदे हां। 2.5 मिनट का पैसेज होगा, ठीक है, 80 वर्ड पर मिनट का। स्टार्ट। Many students who aspire to go in for service in near future boast of their satisfactory speed of typewriting, full stop, but when they appear in a test in any employment exchange, government department, or in a private commercial concern, they cut a sorry figure, full stop. Why is it so? Question mark. They have not ever before realized the importance of the accuracy of the art with patience and cool head, full stop. So to become a skilled worker in the art of typewriting, all of you must go through the instructions for development of speed and accuracy given in detail, full stop. Life is not a bed of roses alone, but also a sequence of failures and success, full stop. In other words, it is a combination of joys and sorrows, full stop. It is full of struggle and activity, full stop. All of us should face it boldly and with certain aim, full stop. Life without aim is useless and dull, full stop. So it is in our own hand to make it more charming, light and interesting, but not very serious, full stop. You know well, life is very short, full stop. So we should justify our short existence by doing something remarkable which leaves our impact on the minds of the coming generations, full stop. जेकर तुहानू ये वीडियो डिक्टेशन वधिया लगती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल सबसक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलियो।